If you're organizing your kitchen, simplifying daily chores, or just looking for clever ways to make life easier, the right home gadgets can save time and effort every single day. In this video, I'll be showing you the 15 best gadgets for home that combine smart design, practicality, and value. So, let's dive right in and see which ones deserve a spot in your home. Number 1. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Keeping your dryer vent clean isn't just about performance, it's about safety too. The Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit helps remove built-up lint and debris that can cause your dryer to overheat or even spark a fire. It features a durable rubber and plastic brush with a 31.5-inch flexible length and a 1.3-inch diameter, allowing it to reach deep into vents. It's lightweight, easy to attach to your vacuum, and an essential tool for improving airflow and energy efficiency in your laundry area. Number 2. HuggieGems Magnetic Spice Storage Rack. If you're short on counter space, this gadget is a lifesaver. The HuggieGems Magnetic Spice Storage Rack attaches directly to the side of your refrigerator or any metal surface, instantly adding 4 rust-proof shelves for your spices, jars, and condiments. Made from sturdy metal, it's collapsible, easy to clean, and built to hold up in any kitchen. Perfect for keeping your ingredients organized and within reach. No more rummaging through cluttered cabinets. Next up is the TrendPlain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer, perfect for anyone who loves cooking with precision. It's made from high-quality, non-toxic, heat-resistant glass and features a handy flip-top design. The 470 milliliter capacity makes it ideal for oils, vinegar, or even soy sauce, giving you better portion control and even spray distribution while cooking or grilling. Plus, it's sleek, reusable, and available in multiple colors, a great blend of function and style. Number 4. Kasa Smart HS103P4 Smart Plug. Want to make your home smarter without spending a fortune? The Kasa Smart Plug HS103P4 is one of the easiest ways to start automating your home. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to control lights, fans, and other devices using your smartphone or voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home. It supports up to 15 amperes and plugs directly into a wall socket with no hub required. You can schedule on and off times, monitor energy usage, and even operate appliances remotely. A simple, reliable smart gadget that adds modern convenience to your daily life. Number 5. Addtam Surge Protector. The Addtam Surge Protector is the ultimate all-in-one charging station for modern homes. It combines 6 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, and built-in surge protection rated at 1050 joules. Designed to handle up to 1875 watts, it protects your valuable electronics from sudden power spikes. It even features a built-in nightlight and wide-spaced outlets for bulky adapters, making it perfect for home offices or entertainment setups. Available in black or white, this compact device keeps your gadgets powered safely and efficiently. Number 6. DORESshop LED Nightlight. The DORESshop LED Nightlight offers the perfect mix of comfort, safety, and efficiency. It emits a soft 3000 Kelvin glow with adjustable brightness and automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn. This plug-in nightlight is perfect for bedrooms, hallways, nurseries, or bathrooms. It's energy efficient, only consuming 1 watt, and provides up to 60 lumens of light. With its dimmable setting, remote control, and modern square design, It's a small but stylish upgrade for your home's ambiance. Number 7. Circle Joy Salt and Pepper Grinder. Add elegance and ease to your dining table with the Circle Joy Salt and Pepper Grinder. This battery-powered grinder uses a ceramic core to deliver precise, consistent seasoning every time. It's easy to operate with just one hand. Simply press a button to grind salt, pepper, or other spices. It holds up to 135 milliliters and is powered by 4 AAA batteries, making it perfect for everyday use. Backed by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, it's sleek, modern, and ideal for both cooking and serving. Number 8. Phomemo D30 Label Maker. If you're a fan of organization, you'll love the Phomemo D30 Label Maker. This compact portable label printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth and lets you design and print custom labels from the Phomemo app. It has a high-resolution 203 dpi print quality and works fast, up to 60 prints per minute. Perfect for labeling spice jars, cables, storage bins, or files. It helps you maintain a clutter-free, stylishly organized space. With its lightweight design and easy setup, it's one of the most satisfying gadgets for home organization. Number 9. Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. Craving homemade desserts? The Ninja NC301 CREAMi Ice Cream Maker makes it effortless to create your favorite frozen treats. With an 800-watt motor and digital display, it can turn simple ingredients into ice cream, sorbet, or smoothie bowls in minutes. It's fully programmable with automatic shutoff for convenience and safety. The stainless steel design looks great on any countertop, and its compact size makes it easy to store. Number 10. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. For accurate cooking and baking, the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is a must-have. It measures up to 11 pounds with 1 gram precision, ensuring perfect proportions every time. The stainless steel platform is easy to clean, and the large LCD screen gives you clear readings at a glance. Compact and durable, this scale is great for portion control, meal prep, or even weighing packages. A simple tool that adds accuracy and confidence to your kitchen routine. Number 11. HiLIFE Handheld Clothes Steamer. Keep your wardrobe wrinkle-free with the HiLIFE Handheld Clothes Steamer. With 1,100 watts of power, it heats up in just 30 seconds and delivers continuous steam for up to 15 minutes. The 300 milliliter tank is perfect for multiple garments, and it's compact enough for travel or home use. Lightweight, stylish, and available in multiple colors, this steamer refreshes clothes, drapes, or linens with minimal effort. Number 12. iBayam Kitchen Scissors. The iBayam Kitchen Scissors are a simple yet essential multi-tool for every home chef. Made from sharp stainless steel, they easily cut meat, herbs, vegetables, or packaging. The ergonomic plastic handles offer a secure grip, and since it comes as a set of 2, you'll always have one ready to use. Dishwasher safe and rust resistant, these scissors are built for durability and everyday convenience. Number 13. PEAKCLOUDS Multifunctional Jar Opener. The PEAKCLOUDS Multifunctional Jar Opener makes opening jars effortless. Constructed from durable stainless steel and plastic, it provides excellent grip and leverage for even the tightest lids. Compact and easy to store, this manual gadget is perfect for anyone who values practicality, especially seniors or those with hand pain. A small but mighty kitchen tool that makes daily life easier. Number 14. LekDrok Microwave Food Cover and Silicone Mat.
The LekDrok microwave food cover keeps your microwave spotless and your meals evenly heated. Made from BPA-free plastic and silicone, it prevents splatters while locking in moisture. It doubles as a heat-resistant mat to protect your counters from hot dishes. Lightweight and easy to clean, this round cover fits most plates and makes reheating food quicker and cleaner. Number 15. AWLKIM Digital Meat Thermometer. Finally, the AWLKIM Digital Meat Thermometer helps you cook with confidence. It features a fast, waterproof digital display that provides precise temperature readings in seconds. With an automatic shutoff, backlight screen, and battery-powered design, it's perfect for grilling, baking, or cooking indoors. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this gadget ensures your food is cooked to perfection every single time. And that wraps up my list of the best gadgets for home that can help make your everyday life smoother, cleaner, and a lot more efficient. If you found something you'd love to try, you'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful product roundups just like this.